Happy Friday, it's Tori from Calypso Creative Planning. I've got a brand new Challenge Me video. We're still going through all the creator kits for the September collections over at CHQ. So this time we're looking at the Bella Nora Creative Studio kit. Check it out. So for this spread, I'm looking at my Zodiac 1 month planner that matches my Zodiac collection for this month. And I am doing the monthly page. Very rarely do I actually use my monthly page, but the past couple months I've really been using it. So I thought this would be the perfect opportunity to use this kit and do this challenge. So I'm going to start off by going to my mini kit from CHQ for this month and grabbing this little calendar overlay sticker so I don't actually have to date the calendar. I designed this to fit perfectly with the matching 1 month planner that goes with the collection that I did for CHQ for September. So it just fits perfectly. You just overlay it and you are done. You don't actually have to date everything. And the sticker kit that I'm using is this beautiful, beautiful kit from Bella Nora Creative Studio. This one is Fall for Autumn, which I love a punny title, and that is just super punny and I love it. So I'm going to just start decorating the page. I'm literally only going to use this sticker book as well as a couple, like a pen tool. I think I used like the black pen once, and then some highlighters, and that's it. That's all I'm using to create my entire monthly layout. So I'm decorating the page, designated certain events and bills and book releases, because you guys know I've got to keep up with all my book releases. Way too many, but that's okay. Actually, not too many. You can't have too many good books. So I won't talk through this whole thing because it's I want to say it's fairly simple. It's not super simple. I mean, there's a lot to it. Once you get through the end of it, you'll see. But it's just layering on some stickers and some highlighters. So just relax, grab some coffee like me, and just watch the magic happen for this transformation. Follow along if you want to. Create yours in your calendar and then tag me on social media and let me see what you created. Or share it in the CHQ community and let me see it there. So I'm going to turn on some music and you guys just happy planning here. So I hope you like what I've done for this monthly spread, and I really love it. It's really fun and fall. We're gearing up for fall now and can't wait for good fall weather. This was the before, the blank version, and this is the after, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.